yes, I am making some hot chocolate cookies today. If you are someone who's always been very interested in like baking and that type of stuff, but you just wasn't motivated, this book, Sweet Tooth, is like the perfect like beginner like baking book. Like, and everything in there is so interesting. You're like, oh, I want to try this. I've done tried like 4 things out of here since I've been out here. Mind you, when I was in Miami, I always was like, oh yeah, I want to eventually, you know, start like doing more baking and stuff. But between time and just not feeling it, I wasn't doing it. But since I've been out here, I've been a baking queen out here. I just be baking and doing all sorts of random stuff. So, but this book is so good, and the recipe we're trying today is these hot chocolate cookies. We're doing like a mini holiday party, and so I want to have these there. Mind you, I've never tasted them, so hopefully they're not like cry. But what I did the last time I tried to make the cookies, I didn't have like a cookie scooper. So that's my next thing I have in my cart to get is like a cookie scooper, so I can have like the perfect like amount, because the last time I did my portions too big and them cookies was thick as hell. So this time I have a better idea, because when I did it the last time, I did some small bake, some small, some big, just to see kind of how it was. And them big ones was too big. The small ones were perfect. So I think this time I kind of mastered it. It looks like the right size now. Like, see? It looks a little bit better. Basically, I've done pretty much mixed up everything at this point. I done made my portions. So now I'm gonna put that in the oven. I think I have to put that in the oven for like, I think about 20-30 minutes or something before I do the second step, but let's do it. Scratch that, not 30 minutes, 10 minutes. See, this is why you have to keep up the, you know, instructions. 10 minutes, and then I'll be back. And these are my little portions. So I think they're much better than they were before. So I think we should have good results. All right, so 10 minutes and we'll be back. All right, so it has been about 10 minutes. I just took the cookies out of the oven. Like I said, I think my proportions were pretty good. Look at this, look at this. Bring it down. See, I think the portions were really good. They came out this nice cutesy color. Now I have to make the topping, which is basically some like milk chocolate and marshmallows, but I have to wait for the cookies to cool a little bit, then I can add the chocolate. I just put the oven on broil because we're gonna have to, you know, sizzle them a little bit once we got the marshmallows and stuff on there. But yeah, it's coming along quite well. So I'll be back when it's time to start putting the chocolate. Bop, bop, bop. See, look at that. Nice and chocolatey. One more 30-second and we're good to go. Alrighty. Okay, I think the chocolate is pretty much done at this point. It is nice and smooth. I don't see any like stains, so I think we're good. This is okay. Once we get cool, make the topping, blah blah blah. Okay, 2 teaspoons of milk chocolate on each cookie. Okay, cool. So we finished putting the chocolate on the cookies and adding the marshmallow. Now I'm going to put it back into the oven to broil for a very quick minute just to roast them a little bit, and it'll be back. It is hot in here. They toasted so fast. That was really good though. 1 minute was good enough. So I wanted to spruce them up a little bit, so I got these sprinkles from Home Goods. Was it Home Goods? No, I think it was Hobby Lobby. And it's perfect. It was the perfect addition. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of like edible glitter dust on there. I don't want to mess it up, but I think we'll put a little bit of some red and some green. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just feeling it. I'm feeling it. I don't know. We'll see. I'll probably do it on one just to be sure. If I hate it, it'll be just that one, and that'll be my texture cookie that I eat, because I don't want to mess this up after doing all this. Oh, that's so pretty actually. Oh yeah, a little glitter dust. Oh, love it. Okay, I actually like it, so just a teensy bit of glitter dust. You know, nothing wrong with a little glit. A little glit. Oh, I said I was gonna do some red and I did not do some red. Oopsies! I just like the green. The green actually looks pretty good. I'm gonna do some red though. Let's do some red. Yeah, I kind of like how the other one looks. The green looks better. The green looks a little bit more normal. So yeah, green it is. It's not gonna be red. The ones that have red, I'll allow you to have it. It's just I'm not gonna force it. But green is the perfect one. I actually might put green over the one that has red on it too, because I don't really like the red one. There we go. Wow, guys. I think we did it. All right, so these are the cookies for later. Fantastic. They're so pretty. I love the little glitter. It's good. With the marshmallow and the chocolate. It's good. It's a hit. BB home makeup. Very crappy. I think the marshmallow was a good touch. The tricky thing about cookies, you've been looking at them saying they ain't ready yet. Don't do that. Half the time, once you see they kind of puffed up and solid, take that ish out. Because they continue to bake even after you take them out of the oven. Which I didn't know that. Like after you take them out, they still bake for a bit. Because they'll be hot as bricks. I can tell you that. Bricked up. Well, anyways, I'll tear these cookies up. But if you like this video, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Thanks again for keeping up with my Vlogmas this 2025. Love ya. That's actually quite good.